that's better. Morning guys. Today's video is going to be a bit more of like a day in the life kind of video. I don't do that many of them. Well, I haven't been recently. More like instructional videos and obviously car show videos from last year. There's a couple more things that I need to prepare for the things that I mentioned that I got for Christmas. One being the HKS kit. Unbeknownst to me, you actually are meant to get 2 hoses with the kit. One for the breather hose and I think there's a water hose. I'm not properly educated on that, but I think that's what's meant to come with it. I didn't get any of them with them, unfortunately. So I'm just going to make sure I've got some, just some basic hose. So if I need to cut some to size and make some, then I can do that. Other than that, I did pick up a little detail for the Heko wind deflectors that I'm going to try and pop that on today as well and just show you what I'm going to do with that. Enough chatting about it, let's get off and run some errands. I've got to be fast because it's raining. Oh, it's disgusting, Corey. Absolutely. Look at that. Embarrassing, I haven't even unlocked it. Wow. Give the inside look. I'm disgraced to say I own one of these. Just look at the state. I mean, it's not cluttered, it's just mucky inside and out. Anybody else got this like kind of like white specks that come from somewhere that keep landing on top of my steering wheel? Somebody's does something's like white specks. I don't know what it is, but unless it's like glitter, I don't know. Obviously runs on fairy dust. I do want to get the car cleaned up just simply because of the fact of this Friday. I have mentioned it in the previous video, but I am meeting up with Dan from Sad Boy Race Club and we are going to be doing a Q&A. Not gonna lie, at the minute, not a massive response. So please don't leave us hanging. Like I said before, any questions on me, my channel, anything to do with Dan and his brand, Sad Boy Race Club itself, any personal questions, anything to do with like anxiety or depression, anything like that, with what that brand represents and what we've struggled with, or anything from like how to get rid of bunions. I don't even know that. Don't ask that. Just while she's getting warm, I will mention this is like, if you follow me on Instagram or the Facebook page, you'll know about this already, but this is actually the second Xperia XA2 that I've owned because I was watching YouTube and I dropped it in the bath. As much as I really like the phone, that's why I got it again, but I also got it again because Francesca got me this cool FNLU phone case. Oh, sorry, I just hit you in the face. Which, that is awesome. She like got me that as a present and that's like the coolest thing ever. See, that's when you know when you put the ring on the right finger. Don't miss opportunities, boys. Right, let's get off. Fresh cut, all ready to go. I don't know what it is, but a fresh haircut after a long time proper motivates me. It's like a cold shower in the morning kind of feel. Not that I recommend that, I hate that. Okay, sorry guys, next day. I didn't get the chance to go anywhere else after Meadowhall. I had to pick a couple of stuff up. And it took me like, that's the second time I've been to Meadowhall just to try and find a new pair of trainers. If you've got big feet like me, because I'm like size 11, you'll understand how difficult it is to find a pair of trainers in stock. You look at it on the shelf and you're like, that's quite a nice looking trainer. I think I'll ask them if they've got them in stock. Knowing fair well, it's going to be like twice as long when they bring it out for you to try on. But you ask them and they're like, no, we've only got it in a 6th. So this was like the 6th pair I asked if they had, and they actually had these in. So I've actually had these worn out Pumas for about 6-7 years, and they're still like the comfiest shoes I've ever owned. They never fell to bits. They probably could do with like a really deep wash because they're disgusting. But I like this style of shoe because they're really nice to drive in, because it's all flat surface and there's no bits like sticking out like the really sporty shoes. So I just got a pair of these fresh Nike SBs. Might save them for the summer. That's a lot of white to contend with. Anyway, let's nip to Halfords and finally get some of this hosing that we're going to need for the intake. Right guys, I've just bought some hose. It is 8mm from Halfords, you can get it from there. I've just had a quick look though. I don't think it will fit on the breather hose. I don't think that's 8mm. I think the water hose is 8mm. So I'm not going to keep hold of it in case it goes out of the amount of time it takes to test it and to be able to take it back. So I'm just going to take it back, and if you guys know what size hose that is, I've just been looking at pictures of the HKS intake online itself, and it's quite a chunky hose with just a right angle on it. If you do know what size that is, please let me know, because like I said, I'd rather just get it working first before I splurge out on a full hose kit for the engine bay. So back to square one. But I did get some Auto Finesse iron out because I am running low. That stuff is a godsend. Right, so before I put these Hikos on, I'm not putting them on today because I'm going to be doing it with my dad whilst he does his car at the same time. I have bought off eBay just some generic like pinstripe, white pinstripe tape, so we can be hit. I think I'm just going to put it all over the edge, on the edge of it. I was going to kind of finish it off here, but I don't know if it's going to look very good if I finish it off, so I'm going to put it all the way down to there as well. So yeah, I'm going to fit in with all you Fiesta boys, with all your Hikos with pinstripes on. Don't even slate me for that joke. I literally went on that item on eBay, and recommended items were Hikos for a Fiesta ST and a Fiesta ST for sale. So the internet doesn't lie. Wow. Ooh, that noise. Come on. There we go. Yeah, it just needs polishing off that with a scalpel, but other than that, I'm pretty happy with how that looks. So it's just the other one and then they're done. They'll be ready for the install. Right guys, thank you so much for watching. That's all I've got time for today, but I hope you did enjoy this little update video. Like all my videos seem to be lately update videos, but the next ones will be more like detailing installs and all that kind of stuff. So, as well as meeting up with Dan. Like I said, please leave your Q&A questions anywhere, Instagram, on the Facebook page, in the comment section on this video. Just put it's for the Q&A, so I obviously don't answer the question too early, and they will all be answered on Friday when I go meet him. Don't forget as well, the FN Lou stencil decals are still available in white, black, purple and orange. So if you do want to grab one of them, just send me a private message through the Facebook page, even if you just want to know how much they are, anything like that. You're not obliged to buy something because you've messaged me. Don't be afraid to message me. And hopefully we can get you one for your car. Please like and subscribe if you do enjoy these videos and you are enjoying the channel. And click the little bell button so it reminds you when a fresh video comes on. And until next time guys, like I always say, enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.
You